Good morning, everyone. This is Nate G. It is Wednesday, June 25th, and we're going to do a trade plan here for CAH, Cardinal Health. I like this chart on the 78 minute. It also is starting a squeeze on the 130, so we'll play this as if it's a 130, but you can see rounding momentum other than this one candle here on the 78 minute. I think this thing looks fantastic. So let's mark this up really quick. We're going to come in here and put our point of control level right there. That's going to help us if we get a little bit of a pullback. This thing looks like it's kind of ready to rock and roll. So we're going to have our value area high up here that we're kind of coming up into. But I think I'm going to take a starter on this regardless. Let me get this value area low in there. And then as you can see, we've had some wicks down into this order block down here. And then it gets bought right back up. And so when we get in this, if we get a wick down, let's say tomorrow morning, if it's not already ready to go, that's going to be a great place to buy another, to buy a full position. So I'm not going to buy a full position here. A lot of these I'm not necessarily buying full positions, but I am looking for a candle close for a stop. I'm looking for a candle close below this 163 area, but I will allow a wick down on the 78 minute. Just so if it wants to come back down in here and soak up some of this liquidity down here before going again. I'm going to put a target there at 166.30, and then we're going to come in here and put a little Fibonacci tool, and we're going to look at 167.29-ish for our target number 2. And since we're doing this on a 130, I am going to go out on these to the CAH. Let's see. I'm going to go out at least to the July 11s. And I'm probably going to get the 165s. And I kind of like this where it is. So we've got 165 Cs for July 11th. And they're currently going for about 235-ish. At 235. And what I would like to do is pick some of these up right now, and but not go full position, because if we can get a pullback down into either our point of control or our value area low, then I'm going to add to this. But I also don't want to miss the move. So I'll be watching this for a little bit here. I may just pick up like one contract just to be a part of it so that I can monitor it, and then look to pick some up, into, here's our point of control area. But I'm really watching, basically this chunk to see if we get a move back down into that chunk for another buy, because we're coming up into an order block here, which and a point of resistance. And so we might get a little bit of a rejection back down into here, so I can add more size to this. But I really like the way this chart looks and the way it's setting up. So that's CAH on the 78 minute. Hope that helps, and good luck out there trading.